The Transolid TC-2420-WC 24 inches pre-assembled cabinet provides time-saving setup right out of the carton. Constructed of particle board with a white, high-gloss PVC laminate finish, ample storage space, a space-saving toe kick, and shaker-style MDF doors that include transitional brushed nickel door hardware and feature slow-closing hinges for quiet, gentle operation. Pre-assembled cabinet with a pull-out basket and transitional hardware, stainless steel sink with center drain hole and strainer, and a flex neck faucet. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful sink. The included sink is handmade, constructed of solid 19-gauge stainless steel, and featuring an integral backsplash, a pre-drilled faucet hole, and a central drain location, with a matching strainer. Number 2. Spacious bowl. The sink features a 9-inch depth, 13-gallon water capacity, and channeled grooves, perfect for use within a laundry room or garage, as it offers more room inside for a load of laundry, large buckets, or paint pans. Number 3. Superior faucet. The included faucet features stainless steel construction, a single lever handle, a flexible neck covered with white silicone, a dual-function spray head with garden hose adapter, a ceramic disc cartridge, and boasts an impressive 1.8 GPM flow rate. Number 4. Measurements. Overall cabinet dimensions are 34.6 inches, height, 19.5 inches, length, and 23.38 inches, width. The sink sits 19.52 inches from the back left corner to the front left corner, length, 23.6 inches from the left front corner to the right front corner, width, and is 9 inches deep with a 13-gallon capacity. The faucet is 21 inches in standard position and 21 inches when extended, with a spout reach that ranges from 8 inches to 12 inches. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.